Hi, Shraddha here. Have you ever wondered why some kids never hear the words rights? Most of the students in rural areas never hear the words SDGs. Well, we did more than wonder. Introducing the one and only Project SDG Shiksha Yatra by Shraddha, Gitika, and Ananya. Well, let's hear some more.
Hi, I am Gitika, and let me tell you a truth. A few years back, I did not knew what SDGs were. I did not knew about climate change. No one talked about gender inequality. And then I got a scholarship. After I got a scholarship, I learned what the world needs: sustainable development goal awareness. And that is what we are doing at SDG Shiksha Yatra, providing SDG awareness to the local schools and government schools so that every individual get to know about what climate change is, what peace is, what justice is, their global rights, and what gender equality is.
We started a journey across North India, not to teach, but to hear. And we went. We went on a journey which we never knew would be so unforgettable, all across North India, traveling just for one cause SDGs. We went across the slums, rural areas, low income communities to meet parents, students, educators, teachers, and everyone we could. We heard stories of children who wanted education. We heard stories of children who wanted to do more, of girls being told no. We heard stories of poverty. We heard stories of missions. We heard stories of new answers. We traveled across the places as much as we could. This experience shaped us. This experience shaped what we could, what we did knew, and what we didn't. In these vlogs, you can see me talking to the camera. Now, let's hear some more of my vlogs. Right, so yesterday, after climbing three mountains, interviewing people in the middle of villages and temples, we are finally now headed to. Alright, so we have finally reached Barsana, but this time I ain't climbing the hill by myself. So we are currently in the car and we are taking the pathway to climb. And I've been interviewing locals here out there, and they're like really nice and kind people. But again, most of them were shy and afraid to come on camera. But thank God, again, we have everything written down. But let's just climb now, and I will reach you all later. So, see you. Bye. After studying all across North India, we returned. We returned back to these communities, not with textbooks, but with empathy and energy to make something new. We held SDG education sessions all across North India while they talked about SDGs and made these children learn something new, learn their rights, learn to be a global citizen, and make a change. We used flashcards, puppets, storytelling, everything to make something new. We made climate change, gender equality actionable, fun, and real and relatable to all those communities who wish to learn something and empower themselves. Because when children see themselves in stories, they believe that they can make a change, they see themselves in it, they see that they can do something, and they start working for their rights. They start talking and making a change. We aim to take this yatra all across India to help different communities. North India too was beautiful. We did face many problems like climbing mountains, incurring non-expected geographical problems, but at the end of the day, we met people. We saw them laughing, we saw their joys, we saw their poverty as well, but all of that hidden behind beautiful faces, laughing faces, cheerful faces, joking with us, talking to us, trying to make something new, trying to understand us, trying to understand these new concepts, all because they wanted to help their own communities. This is what we saw. We saw humans. We saw people who wanted to make a change. And that is where we become change makers, where we make other change makers instead of just being change makers ourselves. This journey didn't just change them, it didn't just change their communities, it didn't just change those children, it didn't just got this children education, but it changed us. It changed us internally. It changed our perception of what people are, what people think, and how they behave, how they understand themselves. It gives us a new view of life which we never could expect. We learned impact doesn't come from perfection, it just comes from being present. That you don't need permission to lead, you just need purpose. And sometimes, to make a talk, you just need a smile. We learned that change doesn't need noise, change just needs consistency and a willing. So, next time when you think if young people can make a difference, well, think of us because we did. Next time you think that whether these communities can make a change for themselves, well, they can. Signing off, Project SDG Shiksha Yatra.